Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 67. Araso. Araso. The Korean word for today is araso, and this is an informal way of saying, alright, I understand, or understood. How do we write araso in Hangul? This is composed of 3 syllables. For the first syllable, al, we need to draw first a no sound iyang followed by an a character followed by a real character. For the second syllable, at, we need to draw first a no sound iyang followed by an a character followed by a sangsiot character. For the last syllable, o, we need to draw first a no sound iyang followed by the o character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these 3 syllables to form the Hangul of the word araso. The word araso is also from the word alta, which is our word for today. And it's important to take note that araso is the past tense form of alta. Alta is transformed into araso by removing da and adding aso to the remaining verb. So that al plus aso, it becomes araso. If you remember, there is a set of rules to be followed to know the suffix that will be added to a verb. It's the same case for past tense. We will choose between aso or oso depending on the last vowel sound of the remaining verb. So here's the set of rules. If the last vowel sound of the remaining verb stem is a or o, we will add aso. If the last vowel sound of the verb stem is not a or o, we will use oso. And then aside from adding aso or oso depending on the last vowel sound, we can also add yo to make it a bit more polite. So since the last vowel sound of al, which is the remaining verb stem, is a or o, we'll be adding aso. So al plus aso is araso, and that is the past tense form of alta. And with that, you've just learned araso. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 57 to 66. But don't forget our word for today, word number 67, araso, which means, alright, I understand. The first word for our review is word number 66, alta, which means to know or to understand. Next word for our review is Gwaenchana. This is a formal way of saying it's okay. Next word is Gwaenchana, and this is an informal way of saying it's okay. Next word is utta. This is a verb which means to smile or laugh. Next word is mashita. This is another verb which means to drink. Next word is mokta. This is another verb which means to eat. Next word is kapshida. This is a formal way of saying let's go. Next word is kacha, and this is an informal way of saying let's go. Next word is ulta. This is another verb which means to cry. And the last word for our review is word number 57, hada. This is a verb which means to do. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.